this is better than I had imagined, Bob. I mean, it really is. You know, you and I have kiddingly talked about it over the last couple of months doing a victory lap. Once we got everything completed and signed on the dotted line, so I'm starting to think about maybe getting the tennis shoes out now for our victory lap. I guess there aren't any excuses now. But no, this is great. And you know, I just have to first say that I'm honored to be a part of what I consider to be a team effort, no doubt. Locally, all the folks that have been mentioned, the trustees, the different healthcare systems, the Kaiser Foundation, they've all been mentioned. The OSU leadership, there have just been so many people who have been a part of this, and I'm just honored to be a part of that. And I'm also, I would have to also say that it's been a pleasure to be able to work with the other leaders at the Capitol that I work with, the governor and the Senate Pro Tem, over these past few months in trying to finalize the deal. I also want to thank all the members of the legislature too, I should say, because they offered their wholehearted support in completing the deal. And it's been a long journey. I began working on this personally about 4 years ago, and I had Lucky Lamons came to me back after the 2004 elections, and this was when there was a transition from the Republicans had taken over the House, and Lucky came to me and he said, I've got an issue you're probably going to need to work on. It's going to rise to the leadership level, and I think you probably need to take this on. And I was honored to be able to do so, but I have to say I didn't know what I was getting into until we got into it and trying to understand, you know, the complexities, and there are just so many variables to this whole issue of healthcare, but it's been my pleasure to work on it. And I think that you know, another thing I want to maybe mention is, and I see some of the residents here that I'll always think about the meeting we had at the IHOP, and I don't remember the exact day. It seemed like it was in November, maybe October. So maybe we should, as a commemoration, maybe we should celebrate yearly at the IHOP at 71st and Lewis to remember the accomplishment. So, and I appreciate everything that the residents did. You guys really brought, I have to say, a lot of energy to the issue, and really helped us and helped us complete the deal. And I know that you have since been working very hard to help things along, and so I thank you all for that, and I'm glad that you were a part of it. But we had to do this. I mean, this is so necessary for first the Tulsa community. We know how needed our stable healthcare system is for our residents. We have to have a stable healthcare system to be able to grow our economy, and I believe that with this agreement that's going to allow us to do that. It's going to allow us to flourish as a community, and then also continue that statewide mission of training doctors that will serve out in the state of Oklahoma for many years to come. Those are great things, and those are things for all of us to be proud of. And so I'm just thankful that I was able to be a part of this. And again, I see it as a team effort, and I can't say enough for everyone that took part and made this happen. And so we're excited to see it take off, and look forward to many good years to come. So thank you all very much.